Morning all, we are here again. Now, in this video, we will move to another material of recognition. Jadi, kita akan belajar materi yang baru. It is about personal identity, about a job interview. Atau dimana you will introduce yourself when you apply a job. Jadi ini pada dasarnya belajar bagaimana kamu akan memperkenalkan dirimu ketika kamu melamar pekerjaan. Bukan mau memperkenalkan diri seperti biasa yang hanya kalian lakukan, misalnya you say your name, tidak seperti itu. So, continue like, comment, and last, the bell notification of video. Okay, let's move, guys. Definition of personal identity, job interview. Personal identity is the concept you develop about yourself that consists of the course of your life. This may include aspects of your life. The job interview is actively consisting of the conversation between the applicant and a representative of an employer, which is conducted to assess whether the person should be hired. Jadi namanya personal identity ini dimana adalah konsep bagaimana tentang dirimu sendiri kau kembangkan, tentang bagaimana hidupmu ini tidak termasuk aspek yang ada dalam kehidupanmu. Untuk lebih ke namanya interview, berarti kamu akan memperkenalkan jati dirimu, mulai dari nama, umurmu, bahkan latar belakang pendidikanmu. Itu pasti akan disampaikan, dan kemampuan yang kamu miliki, all the skills that you have. And job interview ini berarti ada satu namanya interview, berarti di mana ada percakapan antara seorang yang pelamar pekerjaan dan perwakilan dari pemilik perusahaan atau tempat yang kamu lamar, di mana ini dilakukan untuk menilai apakah kamu bisa diterima atau diupah atau digaji, dan hal ini diterima di perusahaan tersebut. When we will do an interview, you must know the tips of that. So let's see. Harus tahu tips of interview. The first, greeting and show your good attitude. Greetings di sini berarti ucapkan salam dan show your good attitude, like you smile, be friendly, be friendly and be confident. Ya, jadi ketika mengucapkan salam tentunya harus ramah, misalnya polite, sopan, tunjukkan senyum. Dan the second, introduce yourself. Introduce yourself, memperkenalkan dirimu. Include your background of education and all your skill. Memperkenalkan diri sendiri ini, atau memperkenalkan dirimu di sini yang bagian kedua itu bukan hanya nama, your name, your age, your usiamu, or your address, alamat, tapi harus juga kamu menyampaikan background belakang dari pendidikanmu dan kemampuan yang kamu miliki. And third, your reason to work at the certain company. Jadi alasan kamu untuk itu, tapi tapi biasanya kamu menyampaikan alasan untuk your friend when you are accepted. Ini juga sama. Bisa juga kamu menyampaikan alasan rencanamu, your plan, ketika kamu diterima. When you are accepted at the company. Jadi dalam company itu rencanamu beralasan mau juga mungkin nanti ditanya baru sampaikan. And ask question if you are permitted. Jadi ajukan pertanyaan jika kamu izinkan. Pertanyaan di sini depends-nya. Bagaimana kamu mau menanyakan tentang perusahaannya atau tentang perusahaan? Last, close your interview by saying thank you. Wawancara tersebut dengan mengatakan terima kasih. Okay, let's move. We will about example of self-introduction and reply. Contoh kata the first paragraph. My name is Haris. I'm 24 years old. I have done my bachelor's degree in international from the University of Indonesia last year. I applied for the assistant manager position. I believe I'm proper for this position because I have a good skill at operating. Besides, I'm fluent in English, Japanese, and French, which I think can support me in my work. Ini lihat bukan hanya nama, umur, tapi dia menentukan latar belakang pendidikannya. Dia menyampaikan posisi yang akan dia lamar dan menyampaikan kemampuan yang dia miliki. Agar ini bisa menunjangnya dalam pekerjaannya. This is a short introduction. My name is Raka. I'm 26 years old. I applied for the secretary position in this office. I have 2 years of experience as a secretary. I have language skills in English, German, and Korean. I resigned from my previous job because I had to follow my husband who got transferred to work in the city. I have good skills in operating Microsoft Word and Photoshop. This is the same. The first and the second paragraph are the same about self-introduction and sort of self-introduction. Ini karena suatu perkenalan mereka, perkenalan diri sendiri yang di dalamnya memuat namamu, umurmu, latar belakang pendidikanmu, posisi yang akan kamu lamar, namanya setiap pada wawancara pasti kamu menyampaikan posisi yang kamu lamar, ataupun dia tidak mungkin sudah ada di lamaran seperti kemudian kemampuanmu pasti kenalan itu ada namanya sampaikan untuk sebagai pertimbangan let's see another example. Example in a conversation. Contoh dalam percakapan, just like this. This conversation between Tina and Lisa. First, good morning, ma'am. So you have applied for the marketing position, right? Yes, I have, ma'am. Please tell me about yourself. Alright, ma'am. My name is Lisa Permana. I'm from Denpasar and currently I live on Keiko Umar Street. I'm 26 years old. What experience do you have? I have worked for 2 years as a sales and marketing in a furniture company, ma'am. Oh, that's good. Why did you resign from your last job? The reason why I left my last job because my salary was not worth my responsibility. Besides, I also want to work in a bigger company in order to improve my skills. Why do you want to work for this company? Because your company is one of big companies in Bali. Therefore, I'm really interested to work here. Next, do you have any computer skills? Yes, ma'am. I can operate Microsoft Office and also Adobe Photoshop. Okay, can you tell me your strengths and weakness? I think my strength is I can work well both individually and within a team. For the weakness, I think sometimes I cannot control my emotions when I fall under pressure. Alright, I've noted. What is your salary expectation? For the salary, I hope I can get more than my previous job. I think about 4 million rupiah. Well, we will consider it. When can you start to work? I'm available anytime, ma'am. But then, just kindly waiting my confirmation via email or phone call. Thank you for coming to the interview. Dear ma'am, I will wait for the confirmation. I also would like to say thank you for giving me a chance to come for an interview. Okay, this is a example of job conversation. So let's see the first. Pada dasarnya umumnya pasti akan menyampaikan nama dalam, kalau masuk dalam langsung percakapan pasti ada ungkapan salam. Kemudian pasti perkenalkan nama, please tell me about yourself. Ini perkenalan nama, kemudian ditanya pengalamannya, dan karena dia pernah bekerja maka akan ditanya alasan kenapa sampai keluar atau resign dari pekerjaannya, dan alasan kenapa ingin bekerja di perusahaan tersebut. Pas itu kemudian let's see, ini tanya kemampuannya, bahkan sampai gajinya yang diharapkan berapa itu pun dipertanyakan, dan terakhir ditutup dengan menyatakan terima kasih. Jadi hanya seperti itu dalam satu percakapan. Dan mari kita lihat, let's see, language features. Jadi unsur kebahasannya, namanya mau introduce yourself when you apply a job, so you will need simple present tense ya. Kamu membutuhkan simple present tense untuk membuat satu contoh kalimat simple present, yaitu I'm 26 years old. Nah, kemudian ada present perfect karena akan menyampaikan bahwa dia sudah tamat di sini dan mendapatkan gelar sarjana gitu. I have done. Atau bisa juga ini gunakan past tense. I graduated at, saya tamat dari mana kan. I graduated from universitas mana, itu pensiun. Kemudian present perfect. Jadi present perfect I have done. Ada kata-kata kemudian past perfect berarti dari have jadi had. Past tense, I resigned from my previous job. That I can get more. Future tense, I will. Object pronoun like me. Possessive pronoun my. And linking words because. Jadi ini unsur pembahasan yang ada dalam sebuah percakapan let's see your assignment. Students worksheet. Answer the following question based on the testing session below. Okay, percakapannya Lucy and David. So listen carefully because your assignment you will record membuat rekaman atau rekaman roleplaymu. Jadi ini so listen carefully how to pronounce in this conversation. Okay, let's begin. Mulai from Lucy. Welcome to ABC Company, David. I'm Lucy. Hello, nice to meet you. Glad to meet you too. How do you do today? I do well, and yourself? Good, thank you. I hope we didn't keep you waiting for a long time. No, I had a chance to talk to one of your engineers while waiting. That's good. David, could we begin? Yes, of course. First of all, let me introduce myself. I'm our engineering department manager here, and we have an open position, so we have interviewed applicants to fill that position as soon as possible. I read about the position on your website, and I think I'm fit. We currently have several ongoing projects, and the team is working hard. We look forward to staying busy for a long time. What important qualification required to the position? This entry-level engineering position, we provide a lot of training here, but we will require that you have at least a bachelor's degree in computer engineering. Previous experience in the field was plus. What kind of experiences would you count as a masterpiece in the field? It would be great if you have some hands-on programming experience, database system knowledge, or skills on application development. My last school project is actually developing mobile apps, so I'm quite competent in developing mobile and web applications. It's good to hear. The school that you graduate from, I was a student at DEF University and I graduated with a bachelor's degree in computer science. I worked as computer lab tutor at school for 3 years. Guiding students through their project helps me gain experience in software programming languages. What are you looking for in the work? Your job definitely should help me grow in my career. I'd love to learn and grow as I work in a passionate company like yours. That's right. What are your strengths? Why should I hire you? I'm diligent person and quick-learner. I'm very excited to learn. My friend also found me very easy to work with. That's good. Now, do you mind working overtime? No, I don't. Sometimes we are overwhelmed with a heavy work. I understand that the nature of work. When I go to school, I take a few courses for every semester while working at least 20 hours each week and handle the situation very well. Then, do you have a question for me? No, I have a good understanding of the requirements. I believe that I can handle it easily, and the fact that you provide all the excellent training sounds. I look forward to having the opportunity to work for you. David, I can say that you are a good candidate. We hope you hear from us within a week about this job. You are wait patiently. Thank you for your time. Thanks for coming. Okay, itu percakapan dari Lucy and David. So I think you can memorize how to pronounce every sentence. And then this is your assignment in multiple choice. Bentuk yang ganda. Choose the correct answer A, B, C, or D. One word job will be applied. Engineering department manager, computer lab tutor, data applications, D, computer engineering. And to why the manager open the position? Because he needs a worker. Because her company presently has some project that needed workers. Because she has project to be finished with have a long time. And because the position is needed, does he refuse to work overtime? Why? No, he can do more. Until 4 and 5. Then, B, give a check true or false to the following statements. There are 5 statements, so you will choose the first. If this statement is true, so you check through this on this, and if it is false, so you choose false, and so on till the last statement. And do a role play with your friend about above conversation and record it. Jadi bagian 3 kamu akan merekam percakapanmu dengan temanmu dalam bentuk video ya, dan percakapan yang tadi. Dan kamu kirim lewat WA. Okay? I think it's enough about the assignment, so I think you can do it. Kamu pasti bisa dapat mengerjakannya, dan do as much as you can do. Lakukan atau kerjakan sebanyak yang kamu dapat kerjakan. Okay? See you at the next meeting. Thank you all.